Hour under the sea. Once upon a time, in a small coastal town, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He had a deep passion for the ocean and everything it held within. From a very early age, Ethan would spend hours exploring the shoreline, mesmerized by the vastness of the sea and the mysteries it concealed. Ethan's family struggled to make ends meet, and his father, Thomas, worked long hours as a fisherman to provide for them. Despite their financial hardships, Ethan remained hopeful and dreamed of one day becoming a marine biologist, dedicating his life to unraveling the secrets of the ocean. One fateful day, while assisting his father on his fishing boat, Ethan witnessed a breathtaking sight. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, a pod of dolphins emerged from the depths, their sleek bodies dancing gracefully through the waves. Ethan was enchanted by their beauty and felt an indescribable connection to these majestic creatures. Driven by his curiosity, Ethan decided to explore the wonders of the ocean more closely. He borrowed scuba diving equipment from a local friend and ventured into the unknown, eager to immerse himself in the underwater world he had longed to discover. On a cloudy afternoon, as the waves crashed against the shore, Ethan prepared himself for his first dive. With each breath, his heart raced with anticipation, and he descended into the cool, azure waters. The feeling of weightlessness and the surreal silence enveloped him, transporting him into a realm untouched by the chaos of the surface world. As Ethan swam deeper, he encountered an array of vibrant marine life, each creature a testament to the ocean's incredible diversity. Schools of shimmering fish, coral reefs teeming with colors, and gentle sea turtles gliding by captured his imagination. It was a symphony of life beneath the waves, a world filled with beauty and grace. Lost in his reverie, Ethan failed to notice the subtle changes in his surroundings. The calm sea began to churn, and a powerful current swept him away from the safety of the reef. Panic set in as he realized he was being pulled into a vast expanse, far beyond his control. Desperation consumed Ethan as he fought against the relentless current, but his efforts were in vain. With each passing minute, his oxygen supply dwindled, and his strength waned. In that moment of anguish, he realized the cruel irony of his dream. His lifelong passion for the sea had become his greatest threat. As Ethan's vision blurred and his body weakened, he caught a glimpse of sunlight piercing through the depths above him. It was a painful reminder of the life he was leaving behind. In his final moments, he reflected on the beauty he had witnessed, the dreams he had held so dear, and the family he would never see again. The sea had claimed a young soul, extinguishing a flame that had burned so brightly. Ethan's story became a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the most profound passions can lead to tragic ends. The ocean, once a symbol of his dreams and aspirations, had become his final resting place, a haunting reminder of the fragility of life. The small coastal town mourned the loss of their adventurous son, and the sea echoed their sorrow in crashing waves. Ethan's dream of exploring the ocean's secrets would forever remain unfulfilled, but his story would serve as a poignant reminder of the perils that lie beneath the surface.